Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a return and refund policy on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is just click on this pages and menu. And then from in there, just click on this add menu item. So let's click on this one. And then from in there, just click on new page. Now in here, you can just choose a blank page if you want, or you can also just choose from this. But for me, I'll just choose this blank page since I will be creating a policy and not a welcome page or anything. So on this blank page right here, I will just head over and add in here an element, or I can actually just rename it first. So I will rename it return and refund policy. Now just click on done right here. And then from in there, I should be able to add an element right here. So click on add elements and then click on text. And then under the text right here, I should be able to add in here a paragraph. So I will just drag this in here and then I will resize it till here. Now, once I have done that, I will change what is the content. So you can actually integrate ChatGPT for this one. You can ask it to make your return refund policy. That will show you a return refund policy, but you need to change the placeholder for all of these things right here. Now let's actually just put all of this return refund, and then over here you should be able to see your review policy page on your Wix. Just publish it out and you're good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.